Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable girl cake topper out of modeling paste and fondant. Alright then, let's get started. So to start off, for the armature, I'm using 26 or 24 gauge floral wire. I've already taped the top half with floral tape and keeping them against the printed female figure I've got here. I'm marking the hip joint, then folding the wire to shape the legs. After that, I'm marking all the key points like hips, chest, shoulders, and knees and the toe line. Here also I have taped the bottom part of the wire so the paste has something to grip onto. For the body, I'm using modeling paste. I always prefer modeling paste when it comes to sculpting figures. Now here for each leg, it's about 6 to 7 grams of paste. Roll it into a sausage shape and thinning one end for the foot. Then make a slit down the center so the wire can sit inside. Before I insert the wire, I mark where the knee and the ankle will be. Once the wire is in, push right into the middle of the paste, then pinch the seam to close. And after that, I start shaping the legs. Now here, make sure your floral tape stays tight. If it loosens up while you're shaping the body, the paste can crack. Now this figure is standing on her toes, so I'm gently lifting the paste at the back to form the heel, and then to shape the knee I press down lightly with my tools to create an indent, then push the paste up to form the thigh and pull it down to shape the calf. Now, as you can see here, to get the shape of the knee, I'm slowly nudging the paste up to create that little bump for the knee. Once I'm happy with the overall shape, now this is very important to get that waxy effect on the skin. I'm just running my fingers and my tools along the leg to smooth everything out. So one of the best things about working with modeling paste is that you can add or remove little bits of paste to get the shape, and it smooths out beautifully, much easier than fondant when it comes to sculpting. Now for the black and white stockings, it's a bit of a tricky color combo to work with, and for this part I'm using fondant. Now I tried few methods to get the black and white strips lined up properly on her legs, like applying single strips, but they never lined up properly. So I'm doing it this way instead. Unusual, I know, but it works. The main thing is to roll the fondant really thin. If it's thick, it'll look bulky on the legs and even change their shape. So once I aligned the strips, I placed a piece of cling wrap on top with a bit of shortening on it. Then with the rolling pin, I just roll gently side to side. Now this helps even out any thickness differences in the fondant. Then flip it over and carefully place it onto the leg. Keep the cling wrap on while you rub it gently onto the leg so the fondant sticks nicely without damaging the shape. Moving on to the body, I'm shaping the paste just enough to get the basic form and then make a slit down the back and slide it onto the armature wire. Once it's in place, then I can start sculpting the body, and I'm adding little bit of pieces to her chest and her bum and then sculpting as I go. Now, this is where having a good reference picture really helps. I always keep a reference picture and make sure it shows the figure from all different angles. For the face, I'm using a mold and I'm making few changes. I'm removing the paste from the eye sockets and replacing it with fondant just to get a cleaner and a brighter look for her eyes, and also refining the lips and the eye area a bit more. Once I'm done with the face details, I let it dry completely before I attach it to the body, just so I don't smudge any of the paint around her eyes. Now for her clothes, I'm using fondant again. Make sure you roll out your fondant nice and thin so it sits neatly on the figure without adding bulk. For her hair, I'm using fondant again. It's a simple wavy look, nothing fancy. And once her hair is done, I'm attaching the fingers to her hand. To add flower details on her head, I pasted a small dome of fondant so the petals can sit nicely in a sort of soft bell shape. I've got some wafer paper petals here. I used wafer paper because they're lightweight and I didn't want anything heavy sitting on her head. Alright guys, just a few final touches and we are done. She looks gorgeous, perfect for a fantasy theme cake for a girl. And I hope you enjoyed this video and picked up a few tips along the way. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon with another one. Until then, take care you guys.